Hello students, in my last recording I told you to make the chart given or fill the chart given on the page number 1 in the first lesson, that is how seasons occur, part 1. And I think all of you have completed that activity, all of you have filled that chart, but no one has sent that chart to me. Okay, who have completed, please send the photos of it so that I'll understand that all of you have completed this activity. So I have filled that information here, and I am going to discuss that today. See, this information I have got from the internet. uh, Here date is given, sunrise time, sunset time, and the duration. In duration, daytime and night time is there. I have only written the daytime here, so we are going to discuss that. See students, you are told to write the sunrise time, sunset time, daytime, night time from the 19th June to 28th June. Okay, and here students, see, if you it is the general knowledge that on the 21st June the day is longer one. Okay, the day longs for 13 hours. How many hours? 13 hours. Okay, this is the longest day, that is 21st June, and it is the shortest night on that day. hmm. Now see, on 19th June, when the sun is risen, that is on 6 a.m., and sunset time is 7. Okay, it is 8 past 7. How is it called as, or how is it pronounced as? 8 past 7. 8 past 7 means मराठी, in मराठी we call 7:08 झाले असं म्हणतो. इंग्लिशमध्ये असं म्हणतात त्याला 8 past 7. 8 past to 7. Then daytime, how much the duration of daytime? That is 13 hour. Okay, 13 hour 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Okay, that much daytime duration was there. Then see, on 20th June, sun was risen, or it was rose on 6th am, and sunset was 8 past 7. Okay, 8 past 7, and the daytime was 13 hours 7 minutes 30 seconds. On 21st June, sun was rose or risen on 1 past 6, and sunset was 8 past 7 p.m., and the day lasts for 13 hours 7 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, no means for, if you see here the day duration, for 3 days the day duration was same, on which, that is 20th June, 21st June, and 22nd June. What happens here, if you see the 19th June, the day's duration was 13 hours 7 minutes 28 seconds. Okay, then after on the 20th, if you see, the day duration is increased by 2 seconds. Day duration is increased by 2 seconds. Then it was same for the 3 days. Then after, if you see, I said now students, now only that on the 21st June, the day duration is more and night is long. And then after, means up to the 21st June, the day is increasing. Okay, the day is increasing, and night becomes night duration is lessening. But after the 21st June or after the 22nd June, okay, the day duration is now decreasing and night duration is increasing. Night duration is increasing when? After the 21st June. After the 21st June. So here the day duration is same for 3 days, that is 20 June, 21st June, and 22nd June. Day duration was same. And if you see 19th, once again I am telling you, on 19th June the day duration is small for by 2 seconds only, by 2 seconds. And if you see 23rd June, the day is now day duration is now decreasing, it is lessening. How much it is on 23rd June? That is the day was 13 hours 7 minutes 28 seconds. Okay, means it is lessening, day duration is now lessening and night time is obviously increasing. Okay, then after if you see on 24th June, the daytime is 13 hours 7 minutes 24 seconds. Means it is decreasing, day duration is decreasing. Okay, then after 13 hours 7 minutes 20 seconds on 15th June. Okay, if you see the last 20th June, it is the daytime duration is 13 hours 6 minutes 59 seconds. Okay, means if you see from 21st June to 28th June, how much is the difference here? That is obviously 1 minute. Okay, day duration is decreased by 1 minute, obviously 1.5 minute. Okay, no, so this way means here night time is increasing, night duration is increasing. And this is the reason that students, now the winter, in winter we face the sun, not more. Okay, no, night time is more, and that's why heat is not more in the winter season. Okay, no, why? Because only of the day duration is decreasing and night time is it is increasing. Okay, and that's why in winter season we face sun not more. Okay, no, then after 21st June, once again uh, the day is day starts to increase. Okay, so this way, this is the activity given for you. Now the question arises here, students, that is, why does it happen? Okay, why does it happen? Why means why for the whole year the day and night is not same. The day and night is not same. Students, I sent one video yesterday, and in that I told you that because of the tilting of the earth. Okay, because of the tilting of the earth at the degree of 23.5, because of it the seasons occur. Okay, now only I told you that now the night time is increasing. Okay, onwards of 21st June the night time is increasing, and that's why winter is now coming. Okay, it is going to coming after rainy season, and that's why sun is not more in the sky. Okay, and that's why heat is not more in the winter. Okay, these are the reasons. So why winter occurs on the earth, and if the same condition is there all over the earth or not? Okay, this is the thing to find out, students. It is not means winter is not everywhere on the earth. In the seasons happen only because of the tilting of the earth. Okay, tilting of the earth. I told you, if this is the earth, okay, it is north, it is south, but the earth is tilted, the earth is tilted like this way. Okay, it is tilted like this way, and that's why, students, means this much part only. Okay, they have this much part only facing the sun more. Okay, this much means here, from here to here. So sunrise are faced more by here, and it is very rare to reach the sunrise here. Okay, it does not reach to the north pole, and that's why, students, it is the reason that uh, sorry uh, so here in this part faces the sunrise more, and it is very it is not very easy to reach the sunrise up to here. Okay, no, means the south pole up to the north pole here. This north pole, it becomes here only. Okay, so it faces the sunrise more, but here the sunrays are not easily reaching, and that's why here only the sun is there on the north pole. Okay, when it is tilted at the 23 degree 5. Okay, and this part north pole face the sun for 6 months. Okay, and the in the south pole there is night for 6 months. Okay, this is the thing, and it happens because of the only tilting of the earth. tilting of the earth. Okay, now, and because of the tilting of the earth, there is there are the seasons on the earth. Okay, now here here I told you students that in the yesterday's video also, why night and day occurs on the earth. Okay, we are going to see that now. See here, I have explained already all these things, but once again I am revising it for you. That means if you see, the questions also are given here. The let's recall questions I have already discussed, and the reasons also I told now, why the day and night time is not same on the earth. Okay, now uh, and that because of the tilting of the earth. Okay, so this way here the geographical information is given. Okay, I also told that the earth, there are the two motions of the earth, that is rotation and revolution. Okay, for the rotation, the earth take 24 hours, and in that earth completes 360 degrees. Okay, so this way um, the day and night occurs because only of the rotation of the earth. Okay, then we because of this rotation, we feel or we experience the stages like sunrise, midday, sunset. Okay, daytime, nighttime, this we feel because of the only of the rotation of the earth. Okay, then uh, if you want to understand the means the changes in the locations of sunrise and sunset on the horizon. Okay, one activity is given for you, we are going to see that. Okay, it means, say students, the position, why do the position of the sun gets changed? What do you think? It is because only that the means sun is moving, and that's why we feel that change, that sun is going from east to west. Okay, no, the sun never changes its place. Okay, it is stable. Okay, the day and night occurs only because of the earth's movement. It is only because of the earth's movement. It's because of the rotation of the earth. Okay, so one experiment is given here. You are told to fix one torch, okay, before the wall, and one keep one table in it as it is shown in the picture, one rod or candle, and and stick the whiteboard to the wall, and you now you are told to, wherever the end of the pole, okay, that shadows is fallen on the paper. Okay, you mark that place. Okay, it is marked as here. Okay, and then after you are told to change the place of that rod or candle. Okay, what you will feel? Okay, the same, on the same place where you have marked, down that same place, that rod's shadow will fall or not. Okay, you make the experiment in your home and you will get the idea about it. Okay, it will, okay, obviously the shadow will not fall on the same place. Okay, it will change its place. You can also take the one example, uh, if a bulb is there. Okay, if sometimes if the bulbs, we change the place of the bulb. Okay, sometimes in the home also, when at one place if you see, and if you follow the shadow of you, and if you experience that shadow, and after changing the place of the bulb, you will see that your shadow is fallen on the new place. Okay, no, that way, why does it happen? Because of the changing of the place. Okay, no, that way students, here the shadow also does not fall on does not fall on the same place. It is it get changed. Okay, it get changed, and this is the reason here, that one experiment, one more experiment you are given here, that is mm, that the position of shadow also changes. Okay, position of the shadow, okay, means all of you know that only the sun is going rising in the east, and it is setting in the west. Okay, that much only you know. but when it is rising or when it is setting, it also changes the place. Okay, no, it does not set at the same hill, okay, always for a whole year. Okay, you can also observe that, if it is possible for you. It is not setting on the same hill as you see the first day, okay, then after the 10th day, then after 2 months, okay, it changes the place. Sometimes it goes towards south, sometimes it goes towards north. Okay, sometimes it goes towards the north. Means in the horizon, if you see, that you will realize that they keep on changing. Okay, the shadows of the any pole. Okay, if you observe, means in the ground also, if the pole is there, okay, for a whole year you are